Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Westford to Pewaukee, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Wauwatosa, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, West Bend, Mequon, Hartford, Whitefish Bay, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Sussex, Heartland, Jackson, Fox Point, Slinger, Soakville, and Bayside. This includes the following locations: Schlitzow-Dobbin Nature Center, Bayshore Shopping Center, Timberland Airport, Mayfair Mall, and Pewaukee Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.